Okay, so phase one really sets this artistic and uh, intellectual groundwork. Then phase two seems to pivot towards political engagement and youth development.
That's right.
And this is where that symbolic title comes in. Second inaugural Prime Minister of Niger Kingdom. Sepimeon, for short.
Yes, SIPML.
Giving this title to the project's author, that feels like a statement. What's the thinking behind having a symbolic figurehead like this?
And it's explicitly linked to honoring Sir Tafawa Balewa, Nigeria's first prime minister.
Okay, so it's symbolic, not actual power initially.
Right. The title itself doesn't grant formal political power straight away, but the intention seems to be to really highlight inclusive leadership and, crucially, getting young people involved in the country's future.
Ah, I see.
And the document does suggest this could lead towards an actual appointment, maybe a prime minister of Nigeria within a cabinet role. So the symbolic title might be a stepping stone.
So the symbol aims to create a path for a real political role, which brings us to the Niger Kingdom Institute. This sounds like the mechanism for the long-term youth development piece.
Exactly. The institute is pictured as the main hub for nurturing future leaders. Its core job would be training young Nigerians in leadership and governance.
And probably using themes from the play, right?
Highly likely, yes. Integrating those narratives and lessons. And it's not just classroom learning. This institute, potentially operating under this future prime minister, has a really broad mandate.
Broad is right. It seems to touch on everything from, like, street hawkers to winning the World Cup. What are the main areas?
Well, the core aim is cultivating young Nigerians committed to national development. So that includes initiatives for marginalized groups, like transforming livelihoods for street hawkers,
Okay.
promoting sustainable cities through clean and green projects, and yes, even that really ambitious goal of helping Nigeria become a FIFA World Cup champion.
Wow.
Ultimately, it's about weaving national unity across the 6 geopolitical zones, all under this Project 9G umbrella.
You could really see how the phases are meant to connect. The cultural story starts it off.
Right, the play.
Then the SIPMN title and the Institute try to turn that into real political and social change, focusing heavily on youth.
Exactly. The document stresses how they interconnect. Play provides the story, film spreads the message, art engages visually.
And the title and Institute are meant for the long-term impact.
Precisely. And the project lists its main objectives quite clearly.
What are those big picture goals?
They're pretty comprehensive. First, protecting and promoting Nigeria's cultural heritage. Second, boosting artistic creativity. Third, that big one, helping Nigeria win the FIFA World Cup.
Still ambitious.
Definitely. Fourth, encouraging dialogue for national unity. Fifth, influencing politics towards more inclusive, youth-focused leadership. And finally, cultivating future leaders for Nigeria.